everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I am going to do a new makeup haul. Some are new launches and some it's been a while maybe, but I haven't tested them out. So I decided to compile everything in today's video and talk about all these products. So let's just dive right in. Before starting the haul, I'm going to get ready, and for that I'm using the Bryan and Candy's complete body care kit with face wash, face scrub, hand and body lotion, bath and shower gel, and rose body mist. This combo kit is ideal for all skin types. It is loaded with ingredients like cocoa and shea butter, rose oil, rose water, hyaluronic acid, organic aloe vera, provitamin B5 for maximum moisturization and protection for daily use, and can be used during all the season. The best part is that it's 100% PETA certified vegan and has skin friendly pH 5.5, and they are also sulfate and paraben free. Now first I'm going to use the face wash. It deep cleanses the impurities without drying the skin. As you can see, it has a gentle gel-like texture and is suitable for all skin types. Then I'm going to take the face and body scrub, and this contains micro beads that unclogs the pores. It also removes tan and dead skin cells as well. After this, I'm going to take a bath with the shower gel. This is enriched with rose oil, rose water, organic aloe vera, and provitamin B5 for gentle cleansing and moisturization. The next product that I'm going to be using is the hand and body lotion. This is enriched with cocoa and shea butter, which makes the skin smooth and supple, and I absolutely love to use this on a daily basis. It has a very nice, rich texture to it. After that is done, the last product from the kit is the body mist. It is totally safe to be sprayed directly on skin for long-lasting freshness. And I love how soothing this smells. I have been using this kit for a while now and I love it. The quality of the products are superb and I love the smell. The packaging is lovely and it is very affordable. So this is the first primer that I have, which is the PAC Aqua Grip Primer, and this I have been testing it for quite some time. I only got it because of the marketing on PAC's Instagram page. They were marketing it as transfer proof. Even if you go in the swimming pool, your foundation doesn't come off. So I got so intrigued and I got it. But look at the size of this product. It's super tiny. And the thing is that it's not inexpensive. Like, I thought PAC was supposed to be affordable, but this one retails for 1,150 rupees. Yeah, that's how much I paid. And there came my mini product. So that's the first disappointment I faced. Overall, the primer is actually good. Like, it performs beautifully on the skin. Yes, it does grip onto your foundation pretty nicely. I wouldn't say it's 100% transfer proof, but it helps to keep your foundation intact for a really long time and gives a very nice satin effect on your skin too. The only thing I will say is that I found something exactly like that. I have talked about it in my previous videos too, which is the C2P gloss primer. It's very much similar, where you don't have to go and spend your money on the PAC one. The only thing about the PAC one I feel like is that the PAC one would be much more suitable for people with oily skin, and the C2P is much more for people with dry skin and normal skin. So yeah, I just feel like the PAC one is a little bit overpriced. If this was a high-end brand, I would say yeah, it's a good primer. High-end brands, you know, they cost you money, they are expensive, but not PAC. PAC is affordable, or it was supposed to be. So anyway, let's move into the next product. So the next product I have here with me is the Cuffs and Lashes. This is the concealer. Now I have been testing this concealer out for quite some time, and I do have to say this is my new favorite concealer. I really do like it. It's super creamy. It blends out beautifully. It gives good amount of coverage. It's not a full coverage concealer, but the concealer, the way it sits on my eyes, I love it. It's really good. I just think that they have good shades as well. For the price of this concealer, I think you are really going to like it. And the best part about this concealer is that they come in a variety of shades, and I am in the shade 08 Chai. Like, 08 Chai is exactly like my skin tone, but if I were to go a little bit lighter, I would prefer the shade 06. So yeah, I just think that this is one of the best concealers and I will definitely be using it more and more. This is what I have been using, by the way, on a daily basis. So the next thing that we have here is the Mars Travel Makeup Brush Set. This is the 4-in-1 brush set and oh my god, I totally fell in love with this brush set. It's so cool because at first you see a dual-ended brush, but once you pull it apart, they actually have 2 mini eyeshadow brushes as well. That's really good. If you are someone who has minimal makeup collection and you like minimal makeup collection, this brush is for you. You can apply powder with this, cream bronzer, cream blush, a lot of the things with the 2 dual tone side brushes, face brushes, and the eyeshadow brushes, yes, they are tiny but they work beautifully. So the eyeshadow look that I created today is with the brush itself and I totally like it. These are good quality brushes and if I am traveling, this is a genius because I don't have to carry that many brushes, of course. So yeah, this I really did like and I would tell you guys to, I'd like recommend you guys to try this one out. If you are someone who likes a minimal collection, like you want everything in one compact little thing, then this is for you. And the next product that I tried here is the Swiss Beauty. This is the Prime and Fine Matte Press Powder. Now this is a new product in my collection and this is the shade 02. Even though this is the shade 02, this doesn't translate that fair on my skin tone. I did set my under eyes with this powder and I do have to say they remain so intact. Like this gives a very nice soft matte effect. The best thing about this powder is that it's super velvety. You almost feel like you are dipping your fingers in cream product. It's that creamy. I love powders that has this creamy touch to it. I don't know how many shades they come in. I just wish Swiss Beauty came out with more shades because this powder is pretty good and I would like to 100% recommend this to people who have oily skin because you are going to like it and I will definitely be using this more in the summertime, especially just to set in the areas where I feel like it gets a little bit more oily and a little bit more dewy. The next thing that I have here are these shimmer eyeshadows from Priviu and as you guys know I have already tested this brand out on the channel, but this one, these 2 new eyeshadows I got, so I was like super excited to try them out and I have this on my eyes right now. I have the shade Coast Violet. I do like the swatch of this. I do like these eyeshadows, just keep that in mind. But the Ghost Purple shadow has this, this looks very lilac and purple at first glance, but it has a gray base to it. So when you try to blend this eyeshadow or when you try to place it, this has a gray base, so if you are not that careful with this eyeshadow, your eyeshadow look might turn into a whole mess. That's what I learned from this. Although I love the color, I love the shift because it has a very nice kind of cool toned purple kind of a, you know, shift to it, duochrome shade. But the only thing is that you have to know how to use this eyeshadow or you might end up ruining your eye look. That's what I will say, because it has that gray, like a very stark gray base. So while I was applying it, I was swatching it and I noticed that why is my hand looking a bit gray? Then I realized that this actually has kind of like a gray dark base, and I have the shade teal here, Green Slate. So this shade has also that gray sort of dark base to it, which is why I will tell you guys to use these eyeshadows. Even though the color, the shade is beautiful, I have to choose how to wear this eyeshadow to make it look beautiful, you know. So yeah, even though I like the shade, just be very careful while you're applying this, and if you know how to apply this kind of shades, then you're good to go. This is a really pretty eyeshadow. The product that we have here is a lilac mascara. Yeah, this is a lilac mascara, and the cool thing about this is the packaging, I will say, because it comes with a separator. It comes with a mascara comb is what I'll say. It has this tiny separator comb that you can actually just use to separate your lashes and make it look more fluttery and wispy. So when I saw this, I was like, oh wow, that's so cool, because this shade, I am obsessed with lilac. How much lilac is too much lilac? I don't know. So anyway, when I saw this shade, it totally reminded me of the ColourPop. I think I have a purple sort of lilac mascara. And today, as I was doing a purple shadow look, I decided to wear purple mascara as well, and yeah, it looks a little bit funny because my eyeshadow is also purple, my mascara is also purple, but I feel like it's so cool because now what you can do is, if you want to apply this mascara, you can just put on a little bit of a transition shade. Most, I will say, preferable is a brown shade. Then go in with this mascara and it's going to transform your look. It's going to make it so colorful and so fun. Yes, this is not a daily, everyday wearable mascara, of course not. But if you really want to just sometimes pull out color and you just don't know what to do, use this mascara. I will say it is not super, like it's not going to give you crazy volume, crazy length, none of that. But it adds such a nice pop to your lashes and it's so nice and unique that you know your eyeshadow is going to just stand out by itself. So I give this a really good 10 out of 10 because for the efforts that affordable brands are coming out with products that we can easily purchase and we don't have to rely on high-end brands only. So the next product we have right now here is the lipstick that I am wearing, and it is from the brand Sery. Now this is a brand that I haven't tested out that much on the channel. I have tried few of their products. I was like very meh about it, but this one is good. This one is a lipstick and this is the shade Silk Nude. I feel like, I'm not 100% sure, but I feel like this is a pretty close dupe to the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in medium, but a lot of the times medium, like the shade, doesn't suit a lot of Indian skin tones. I feel like it's in the same category, but this is definitely going to suit a lot of brown skin. And I am super happy that I got this lipstick. It's very nice, comfortable matte. When you put this on, it's very creamy, but after a few seconds, or you know, it takes about a minute, then it settles down to a matte finish. And let's see the transfer test. Yeah, it doesn't transfer, like maybe just a little bit, tiny bit, but like really doesn't transfer that much at all. So I am super happy about this lipstick. I definitely have to check out more of the shades that they might have because I did really like the finish of this lipstick and also the shade. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Let me know which one was your favorite makeup product and check out all the links. I will leave it in the description box down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.